For any vehicle, whether it's a project car or a daily driver, rust is often the biggest issue standing between you and a show-worthy car you can be proud of. When the rust is visible, like surface rust on frames, body panels, and suspension components, our line of rust encapsulator products are the perfect solution. But what about the rust you can't see? Corrosion can start on the inside of any hollow metal part, so any box frame, tubular control arms, or cross members, and work its way to the surface. This is the corrosion that you really need to worry about, because hidden rust is a silent killer. It compromises structural integrity, diminishes value, and can turn a dream project into a nightmare. What if you could stop rust in its tracks, from the inside out? With internal frame coating, you no longer have to worry about the sneaky rust corroding the inside of your metal. This isn't just another rust preventative, it's a revolutionary solution designed to tackle corrosion where it starts, inside those pesky, hard to reach enclosed areas. So what is it? Our internal frame coating is a specifically formulated, high-performance rust encapsulator. Once applied, the coating penetrates existing rust, encapsulating it and preventing further spread. This coating stays incredibly durable, even under harsh conditions. This means minor abrasions won't compromise your protection. The formula is designed to self-spread, ensuring it will cover even the tight, hard-to-reach spaces. Depending on your project, there are two levels of internal frame coating products: the original formula and the internal frame coating plus. While the original formula has been a reliable go-to for years, the plus version offers a newer, more advanced formula that boasts heat resistance up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and over 1,000 hours of salt spray testing. Perfect for those of you looking for extra rust-stopping power. Even though this internal frame coating behaves very similarly to our regular rust encapsulator, what makes this product really unique is how it's applied. Each can of internal frame coating comes with a 24-inch long, heavy-duty tube, featuring a 360 degrees conical nozzle for full coverage. Just insert the nozzle into the hollow metal part and feed the tube to the end. When you're in position, start spraying the frame, while slowly pulling the tubing out. As you pull the flexible tube through, the 360 degree conical nozzle will coat the inside of any part, stopping any existing rust in its tracks and creating a strong seal to keep any future rust at bay. With internal frame coating, the possible use cases are endless. Maybe it's as simple as protecting your classic car components and preventing future corrosion, or perhaps it's sealing up your 4x4's frame from mud and dirt when you're taking it off-road. But it can also be perfect for protecting internal structures of boat and utility trailers or other outdoor equipment. No matter the task, you can trust your project is in good hands. The bottom line is that if it's hollow metal, it probably needs some sort of protection, and there is no better solution than applying some internal frame coating. It's the ultimate defense against corrosion, ensuring your vehicle remains strong, safe, and valuable for years to come. Visit Eastwood.com today to learn more about internal frame coating or to learn more about any of our rust products. You'll thank yourself later.